Hey you guys, this is your girl Shauna coming back with another video, and as you guys can see in the title, this is going to be a review, or excuse me, unboxing on the new hair I received from Namaru Raw Virgin Hair Company, however you want me to say it. But this is the company. This is their card. And again, y'all, I'm just coming quickly because I gotta head out, but I want to come and show you guys the unboxing. I did get this hair maybe like two or 3 weeks ago, and I tried to upload a video prior to, like, as soon as I got it, but it was just a lot going on. So this is the company. I've actually worn their hair before, and I'll link some pictures in the video as well. This is their little message to everyone. I actually ordered a bundle deal. I ordered the 18, 20, 22, and 24, and I paid $500. The hair comes in this very, very cute packaging, like so, and then you have it says the name on the back, the origin, which I have Southeast Asian wavy, the length, which is 24, and the color, which is natural black. And I'm going to show you how the hair looks. And where is my 18? Okay, so the first inch is the 18. Again, you guys, everything looks the same. This is the packaging, really cute. Now they did have, like, I know a lot of people got the gold packaging, but I didn't get that. I got the regular standard pink packaging like I always do. Sometimes, now when I first ordered from them, they did put some goodies in there. This time they didn't, but then like that Sunday, they were saying if you ordered on that Sunday, they would put things in there. But I'm gonna show you the hair because I already kind of took it out, but it was they have these little things on it, so it's pinched right there. But this is the 18-inch. I'm gonna show you how it looks, and this is raw hair from a donor. And this is the hair, how it looks. When I say, y'all, that is just, oh my gosh, it's so buttery. Y'all see that? Just so buttery. And even when I ordered from them last time, their hair was buttery. It was thick. And I was just in love. So this is the 18-inch. Next, we have the 20-inch. Where is it? This is the 20, I believe. Yes, this is the 20. And they did, here's the box that it came in, is making sure my address isn't on here as well. And then they put, like, inside the box, like, little confetti stuff, which has been getting everywhere all over my house. So, but this is the 20 inch. And you guys, I didn't, like, you don't need 4 bundles. I get 4 bundles because I just like my hair to be full. Again, just buttery soft, easy to run my hands through. Let me move this net. Oh my gosh, look. And the wefting is constructed really nice, if y'all can tell. So that is the 20. I gotta make sure I don't get these mixed up, you guys. I'm being some hell with my hairdresser. Next we have the 22. And y'all, this packaging is just gorgeous. Here's the 22. And they put a hairnet over the hair to keep it protected, which I love. Again, y'all see that? Not getting any shedding, which with this hair I really didn't. The ends are beautiful, as you guys can tell. Like, they are very nice. That's the 22. And then look, I'm gonna just show you the ends. See that? Beautiful, beautiful. And then last we have is the 24, which this is the 24. So here is the 24, and even the 24 is really, really thick. Like, OMG. Like, this hair is really thick. Like, my stylist, when she first installed it, she was like, yo. And you see where it falls? I'm going to show y'all really quick. When I have it installed, it falls like this. And the hair, you guys, already comes. She does, the owner, they, Namaru, they do wash their hair. And it smells so good. So it don't smell like corn chips. It actually smells like, you know, someone took the time and washed it. Which, that's how my hair smelled original. But this hair, y'all see that? It is gorgeous. It is thick from roots to tip. And like when it's installed, this is how it is. And I install it straight like this. And these are the links. And I'm going to try to put them together. So this is the 24. This is the 22. This is the 20. And this is the 18. Do you see all that hair, how thick that is? Oh my gosh. This is enough like for like, this is a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. So here's again the 18. Move my pillow. The 20. The 22. And then the 20. I'll actually bring this really quick to show y'all. Like turn it this way so y'all can see. Y'all can see this is the hair. Isn't that beautiful? Do y'all see that? That is just gorgeous. So yes, you guys, I cannot wait to install this. I'm actually getting this hair installed on Thursday, so noon. So I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna get this hair installed. And you guys, y'all know, I'm gonna come back with a video and show y'all. Excuse me, I'm getting mine installed, just a regular hairstyle, like nothing crazy, just the middle part. That's how I want to wear the hair. But y'all, this hair is just beautiful. Like, look at that. It just flows. This is some of the best hair that I've purchased from a company before. And this is a black owned company. So if you are all for supporting black owned companies, this is definitely a black owned company, and her hair is beautiful. I haven't had any bad complaints with the hair. The hair is gorgeous. Everywhere I went, I got compliments. So again, I don't know. I did see some people said they had some were saying they had bad experience. So I'm definitely sorry to hear that you had a bad experience, but I just wanted to come and do an unboxing. I did do like a 2-minute review, which is on like my channel. I have to link it. Hey you guys, it's your girl Shauna. Just wanted to come on here and give a quick, no, I'm not gonna say quick, but I just wanted to come and talk about this hair really quick that I've been wearing for a good month now. It's by a company called Namaru Virgin Hair. This specs, and this is just gonna be like a quick review literally. The specs are 18, 20, 22, and 24. Literally, I have 4 bundles. I'm gonna get to the chase. So far, this is the only hair company that has sent me good hair, like that I've ordered from. I've ordered only from 2 other companies. This tops it. Like, I haven't had any virgin hair that has been this thick or this full like this. I mean, I haven't like, when she was putting it in, I was like, oh my God. Like, it was so full. And even when I wash it, it's still full. I don't have to put any products in the hair itself. Pretty much, I just wash and go. I don't have to put nothing unless I want to. It's soft when I brush it. Shedding. It has minimal shedding. When you're combing and brushing it, you know, it of course is going to shed. Not something that, you know, now the shedding was but nothing that I was like, oh my God, I can't. It's nothing like that. It was just your average shedding for hair. What else? The hair is full, it's thick, it's pretty, it's soft. Like, if you guys can see. And for this to be a 24-inch, the 24 is really, really, really long on me. Like, the 24 hits like right here under my boobie. So yes, and I am going to be ordering from them again. They have great hair. So if you're looking for good virgin hair, I would highly suggest that you go to Namaru Virgin Hair Company, and that's Namaru Virgin Hair, to get the hookup. And that's it. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Toodles. But it will show I had the hair in my head, but when I first got it, I didn't do a unboxing. I literally got it, went to my stylist and got it installed. So yes. But this, I always install my hair, y'all, straight out the pack. But it's already washed and ready to go. So that's going to be it on my review on this hair. I'll link everything in the description box below on where you can purchase it. And again, you guys, I did purchase this hair with my own coins. I spent $500 for the bundle deal. So again, this is not sponsored. I've worked with this company, not worked, but I've dealt with this company before. I've worn their hair and I've purchased their hair before. So this is not sponsored. This is just my own personal experience with the hair. So yeah, and the hair is great. So yeah, I have no complaints. So I'm doing the review and I'm just doing the first impressions and then the review, just telling you guys the hair is great. It lasted long, it curled good, it straightened beautifully. Everything was perfect with this hair. Pictures in this video so y'all can see. Showing y'all my hair. As you can see, it is still popping, locking. Like, and I flexi rotted this, and boy, these curls, waves is still popping, and it's so thick. Like, it's super like thick. Like, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video. If you guys are wondering, I just wanted to come here and show y'all this hair that y'all been seeing on my pictures. If you are wondering where this hair came from, you like, oh my god, her hair, or where she got her hair, the hair is from from Namaru, and it's gonna be Namaru.com and be like Namaru 11 and 15, something like that, if you see it on Google. But this is like a these are 4 bundles I have in an 18, 20, 22, and 24, and this is of the South Asian wavy. I do want to say I haven't had to this pretty much, I actually put this hair in a ponytail. It is still soft. It doesn't shed, but hair does shed. But I'm not gonna say it doesn't shed, but it's not shedding. It's just of course when you're brushing it, you'll get your few strands, but it's nothing crazy. It's what you would get if you were brushing your own hair. But yeah, and I haven't put any product. I think the only product that's in this hair that I put in, it was when I was flexi rotting it, and that's when I put the BB wrapping lotion in my hair. So yeah, and it's still full. Look at that bounce. Like, and I put it in a ponytail. Like, it's typically in a ponytail and typically in this big old bun. I put it in big old bun. I wrap it at night with this, my edges with this, and then I put on my bonnet. But I just wanted to come and show you guys this hair, show you. And I don't have to put product in it. A lot of my hair, my past few installs, I've had to put products in there, but I haven't had to put any product on my hair, on my edges, nothing. Shout out to my stylist Tiki Amore. She always hooks me up. I can actually put this in a ponytail. So I just wanted to come show you guys this beautiful, beautiful hair. So I will talk to you guys later. Toodles. But other than that, that's going to be it. Till next time, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and liking this video and giving it a thumbs up. And remember, once we reach 100 subscribers, I'm doing a major giveaway. All right, but other than that, you guys, that's it. Till next time, toodles.